right, so how do you pronounce that?
Lona?
All right, I'm gonna go with Manny. All right, so pioneers in home comfort innovation. This is a quartz heater. Wait, I got the Spanish side. Hold on, can you flip it?
Well, now you want my help, though.
Yeah, I need your help now. I can't read that. Oh, here, why don't you translate? I can't read that. All right, Manny's gonna flip it, you guys. Sorry, hold on a second. All right, so this says a quartz heater. Oh, okay. A quartz heater. It has 3 heat settings: tip over and overheat protection,
Cool.
sunlight heat, adjustable thermostat. Sorry, you guys, I don't have my glasses. Ultra quiet operation. Okay, so it looks like they've been in business. This company been in business for 25 years. Here's this in case you guys need it down here. And if you guys look at this, this one is the white one. It's either white or silver. What color is this? White? All right, looks white to me. All right, so here's the white one. And we actually found 2 of the white. All right, and I'm gonna go ahead and show you the UPC. Oh, sorry.
On top.
Oh, is it? Hold on, I'm gonna show you the UPC on the top. Hopefully you guys can see it. So this is the UPC for the white. And I'm not sure if you guys need this number, but just in case. Again, here's the name. And I'm about to blow them out the water and blow you 2 out the water because you got beat.
We're still in store number 1.
You got beat. All right, look at this, you guys. So the regular price is kind of scratched out, but it says $47.92, I believe, right down there, right here. It has $25 right here. But when we scan this, you guys, it is only coming up $11. 11. It went from almost 50 down to $11. If you guys can find this white one, it's only $11. So, all right, you guys, not only did I find the white heater, but I actually also found, boom, a black one. So I don't know which one I like the most. And since I found it, I think I should get one of each.
What?
Yeah, you can sell one. We got 3. And I'll keep black and then I'll keep a white one.
What?
Sorry, I found it, not you. All right, so, wait, you got to turn around. I can't read that right.
Good.
All right, so this is exactly like the same thing as the white one. It has the 3 heat settings, tip over and overheat protection. It has all the same things as the white one. This is what this one looks like. All right, and this one's actually open. So I'm gonna see if Manny could take it out just so you guys can see. This one again has a 25, oh, not 25 year. Oh, they've been in business 25. I thought it was a lifetime warranty thing.
Mm-hmm.
Oops, my bad. All right, so I'm gonna show you what it looks like on this side. Look at that, you guys. That's a nice heater. And again, I always get cold. All right, here's the name again. And again, this one is for the black one. So I'm gonna show you the UPC right here. All right, there's the UPC and the model number is right here. There's the UPC, and we are scoring today because of the expertise of Miss Angel, which is me, not you.
I saw it from afar.
Nah, we ain't gonna go there. You know what? I just told Manny to grab them because they were like on the top shelf like this, and I couldn't grab them or I was gonna break a nail. So
Are you sure?
that's your help.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'll give you store number 2 though. Okay. Well, hopefully you can find something like maybe a Snickers bar or something like that. I mean, I find the major deals around on this channel. All right, you guys. So again, you guys are going to be looking out for this black one. There's the UPC. And this one says it here. Also, the regular price is $47.82, so almost $50, down to $25. And again, this is the price that everybody is seeing. This $25 price, they're walking past it. You guys have to scan because we scanned and it's only scanning up $11. All right, you guys. So what we're going to do is the black one didn't come sealed up. So this one came open a little bit and it looks like someone tried to open it. So we're going to go ahead and open it just to make sure everything's fine before we purchase it. And I figure while Manny was doing that, we can actually show you guys what it looks like. Okay, at least I got the plastic. So I got the plastic. This is the first Angel and Go. We don't ever take anything out. But we want to make sure because it wasn't sealed up. All right, so you guys, this is what it looks like. And a good sign is the plastic's on there. Wait, hold on.
Got the plug.
Okay, here's the dial right here. All right, has the plug. All right, look like the plug is brand new. Look at that, you guys. Hopefully you guys can see it. All right, but this is what it looks like, you guys. Look at that. Uh-oh. All right. All right, there you go. Look at this, you guys. All right, so I'm going to show you the top part. And then we're going to go ahead and put it back in the box. So it has the warm in, it has the minimum and max. And it has the number settings right here. And looks like, how does it stand? In the back? Let me see the back. Oh, right there. Okay, there you guys go. All right, so we're going to go ahead and put this back in the box. But the only reason why we took it out, you guys, was, let me show you. This part right here was just sticking up like this. And it wasn't sealed. So before we purchase it, especially from Walmart, we just want to make sure everything's fine before we bring it home. So make sure you guys look out for these because they're only 11 bucks. All right, you guys, it's kind of crowded in this Walmart, so we decided to just walk. Sorry if you guys hear a bunch of noises, but we're going to go ahead and just walk, and I'm going to show you what else I found. Now, this is the Ozark Trail Emergency Poncho. You guys can see the sale price. It went from $1.17 down to 40 cents. And I'm going to go ahead and get a few of these. I got them over here. All right, come on. I got them over here because we plan on going to Universal Studios again. And I'm definitely going to get these because we always go on a Popeye ride and it rains every once in a while out here. So if you guys try to get a poncho at Universal, it's probably going to be like $50. So I'm going to go ahead and get these for 40 cents. And when we go to Universal, I'm going to go ahead and put these in my backpack. And the kids are going to have ponchos. I'm going to actually have one of these so my hair doesn't get wet. I'm going to show you guys the UPC. There's the UPC. And again, these emergency ponchos are only 40 cents. All right, you guys. I think we're done. Look at how they remodeled our Walmart. Look how big it is. They remodeled this whole Walmart. But we're about to check out. Thanks for watching this video. Give us a thumbs up. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to our videos. Say bye. Bye.
Hit the notification bell.
Yeah. And please share this video. Good luck.